2015 Acura TLX. All right, it's a clean Carfax, one owner. It's got 38,000 miles on it. Go ahead and give you the walk around of the vehicle. Make our way down the driver's side here. All right, everything's in good shape. Really sharp looking car. Summit white in color. All right, it is equipped with the rear backup camera. Passenger seat looks good. It does have a sunroof. 18-inch alloy wheels. Alright, everything looks really good with this car. Go ahead and take a look on the inside. Two-tone on the door panel. Got the black with the brown wood grain trim right here. Really nice. Memory seats. Alright, brown leather power driver seat. The leather's in good shape. Perforated inserts here. Does have two key fobs. Remote engine start. Alright, passenger seat's in great shape. We'll pan back out and give you a shot of the sunroof. Power sunroof. Alright, really cool transmission here. Got the push button transmission. Got your power outlet down there and your USB port. Dual climate controls, navigation, rear view camera. It all comes up right here, and I'll show you that in a second. All right, push button start. Leather wrap steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth. It also has the safety features. All right, lane mitigation. Same for right there. Let's go ahead and give you a shot of the mileage. Alright, now that we got it turned on, get you another shot of this. It does have your heated seats. Alright. X out of that. Go ahead and pan up here, show you your navigation. Alright, rear backup camera as well. Alright. Air conditioner's been on now for about 15 minutes. AC's blowing cold. Give you a shot of the mileage here. It's got 38,364 miles on it. Go ahead and take a look at the back seat. Go ahead and give you a shot of this real quick before we head to the back seat. It is equipped with the blind spot monitoring system. Really good safety feature there as well. Alright, go ahead and take a look back here in the back seat. Leather back here looks great. No problems at all. Nice little rear center console, cup holders. Leather's in great shape. Even the carpet back here looks well taken care of. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the layout, the dash. Alright, really pretty combination there with the blue and or the black and the brown two-tone. Take a look back here in the trunk. Carpet's in good shape. Plenty of space back here. Kind of step to the side so you can see the depth in the trunk there. A lot of space back there. Alright, now I'll go ahead and open up the door. The passenger front seat. Alright, power passenger seat. Give you another perspective on the leather over here, but everything is just amazing on the inside. Really well taken care of. 38,000 miles. Going to give you a shot of the 18-inch alloys here. Alloys are good. Tires are in good shape, plenty of tread there. Alright, once again, it's a 2015 Acura TLX, 38,000 miles, clean Carfax, one owner. Alright, come down, check it out, take a test drive. And thanks for watching the video.